Theri Tadka completed 3 years last week, where we have asked celebrities to give tadka in 3 things to make their life spicy. Let's watch this segment.
If you get a chance to put tadka in your life, to add a spice, whether it's in your acting or day-to-day life or whatever the situation may be, where you will put it and how?
If I have to put any tadka in my life,
yes,
I'd put it in my personal life because I have none. I work every day from 9 to 9 and it takes me hours to get home. So I have no personal life. So if I could put a little tadka there, maybe I could be a happier person. I'm actually very happy. I don't need the tadka.
three places you have to put the tadka. One is your life. The other two are?
Other two, I'm making a new, I've just got a new house, so renovating my new room. So I'm going to add a lot of tadka there, a lot of spice there. That's my space, that's my place where I'm going to vent out my happiness, sadness and all my emotions. So I think my bedroom, I'm going to add a lot of tadka to my new bedroom.
Okay.
And the third, tadka matlab nahi chahiye. Tadka, for the third tadka, I'm sure on the set you guys are always there to come and add tadka into our lives. I think third you all will fulfill for me.
Okay, thank you so much. Pleasure talking to you.
Same here. Happy birthday again.
Thank you so much.
I think मुझे किसी चीज़ में तड़का डालना होगा अपनी ज़िंदगी में, so the first thing would be my love life. I want some spice there. I want something to happen in my love life. So I think that will be the first place जहाँ मैं तड़का ऐसा डालना चाहूँगा. करियर में डालने की जरूरत नहीं है, करियर तो वैसे ही इंशाल्लाह अच्छा चल रहा है. Everything is been very nice. Very thankful about that.
I put tadka in my lighting.
Okay.
In my looks.
Okay.
And my love life.
Can you just elaborate how?
I'll give some surprise to my wife.
Okay.
I'll try and do my best of lighting.
Okay.
And in my looks, I'll try to change my look.
Okay. As far as the lighting is concerned, would you like to? Are you going to add more mirchi lights so it would be a little bit more tadka to it?
No. Lighting in the sense, some beautiful lighting.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a very fun-loving person, so my everyday is with some tadka. So I don't want to comment any specific thing which gives my life a tadka. I am quite enjoyable person, so in every situation is like so.
Okay. So already you have got so many tadkas in your life.
Yeah.
I mean, how you put it? What do you do? The little things.
Music, dance.
Okay.
When I'm free, like when I usually come to sets and when my makeup used to done, so every day is a new day for me and I just listen to music and my makeup is
wow.
So music is one of the very important thing in my life.
What about if I ask that you are a good writer? So to put a tadka in your writing, what you do?
I just feel that.
Okay.
If I just take one word from, if you talk about something and you say rain, so I write it on rain.
Okay.
If you say something else, so people give me tadka for my writing. I am not giving any tadka to my writing.
All right. Pleasure talking to you, Akanksha.
Thank you so
much.
Okay. I would like to. First priority would be my career. My way of executing the things as a director.
Okay.
Secondly, my spiritual journey.
Okay.
And third is my family.
How will you put it? What you will do that special thing to that it will take it up? The next step.
Maybe I would write few good scripts for my films.
Okay.
Secondly, for the spiritual journey, I would say how should I explain? Like, just want to be peace, calm, and concentrate, more focused.
Yep.
And obviously, family, always the first priority.
Yep.
I want my entire family to be together.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm ready to do each and everything for them.
Okay. Pleasure talking to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Tadkas. Yeah. Whether it's your scene or whatever.
I definitely want to add tadka in my dressing. Tadka in the scenes I do. I don't think right now there is any need of spice or any tadka in the scenes. And third thing, of course, is life as a whole. I don't know, it just gets very monotonous.
How? What will you do to do that?
Oh, bungee jumping, walk, monkeying around, do anything in life. Just break free from that. Okay?
What about you, Kushal?
Let the let the mountain.
All right.
Right now, my life is too much full of spices.
Okay.
My life is all full of spices.
Okay.
Depends different spices.
Okay.
Kali mirch, dal mirch, hari mirch, different spices.
All right. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for this. मेरा छोटा क्यों है उसके साथ?
लो यार, तुम दोनों ही तुम्हारे. It's all yours.
I'm very boring. And I think I've crossed that age of लगाएं तड़का. And also if I try to do something, my kids are there to bring me down because it's their age basically to लगाओ तड़का. I have a 24-year-old son and a 19-year-old daughter. So they are enough in my life to लगाओ तड़का. But I can't लगाओ any more तड़का.
But you must have done somewhere.
No, I got married so young. Yeah, by the time I really realized what I was already married. So there wasn't any time basically between college life and marriage. While in college I got married.
Okay. So what do you do to spice it up, to add spice in your life, or during the shoot or something?
During shoots, I think it's very important to have good co-actors.
Yes.
So with good co-actors we do a lot of masti. On my other set of Sahara, there we have a lot of we get together and do a lot of things.
Okay.
Here, all the time is there, of course, it's more chilled out. Here, I have not done too much of masti basically. I have just come and done my scene and go on.
Okay.
I'm a very behaved person. I don't get to eat
Tadka as such. All right. So any food which you put a different kind of tadka?
I don't cook. I think I need to ask her what tadka she puts.
Okay. Thank you so much, Niluji.
पर्सनल लाइफ में तड़का मैं लगा चुकी हूँ जब मैं अपना घर छोड़ के बॉम्बे आई थी बिना किसी को बताए. वही पर्सनल लाइफ का तड़का लग चुका है 3 साल पहले. प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में तड़का तब लगेगा जब कैरी एक तड़के जैसा ही था, क्योंकि इतनी खतरनाक सासू माँ मिली है तो हर वक्त तड़का लगते रहता है कुछ ना कुछ. और सबसे अच्छा फैंटास्टिक तड़का वो होगा जब मेरा शो बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा, तो वो तड़का होगा मेरे लिए.
Okay. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
I would convert Dadi into an action number.
All right.
I love to wear scatty clothes and dance.
Okay. Second.
I'm fed up of this look.
Okay. That's the first tadka. What about the second tadka?
Second tadka, to be what? Actually, I have no tadkas in life. I'm like nice, content. I don't want anything. I don't need anything. So just that. My only tadka will be if my near and dear ones are fit and happy. That's it.
Okay. Pleasure talking to you.
एक तड़का ऐसी बात है, सब लोग अपने करियर को लेकर बहुत लालची होते हैं, तो मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा लालची हूँ. तो एक तड़का मैं चाहूँगी कि मेरे करियर में लग जाए, जो कि बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है और इसके आगे डबल अच्छा चले. और
लाइफ में?
लाइफ में भी एक तड़का चाहूँगी क्योंकि आई विश कि मेरे पास एक घर हो जो कि अच्छा 3-4 BHK हो, किसी अच्छे से टावर के टॉप में फ्लोर पे हो, तो उसके लिए तो तड़का लगाना ही पड़ेगा। तो बाकी के 2 तड़के एक साथ किसी में लग जाए तो चलेगा।
What about you, Shoaib?
मेरे लिए मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अभी तक जो भी जितनी भी मेरी ज़िंदगी बीती है बहुत अच्छी बीती है, लेकिन हाँ अगर मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि काश फिर से मैं बचपन में लौट जाऊँ और मैं अपने बचपन में ऐसा तड़का लगाऊँ जहाँ पे मैं फिर से बचपन को और अच्छे तरीके से एंजॉय कर सकूँ। और
कंफ्यूजिंग है तड़का
नहीं, अच्छा तड़का
हमेशा कंफ्यूजिंग होता है। और इसी हिसाब से मेरे लाइफ ऑब्वियसली बात है और
करियर में
मॉम डैड मेरे मॉम डैड की खुशियों में, उनके सपनों में तड़का, ऐसा कुछ तड़का लगाऊं ताकि मैं उनके सपनों को पूरा
क्या करेंगे उसके?
जो उनकी छोटी मोटी ख्वाहिशें हैं वो हर चीज़
वो सारी ख्वाहिशें पूरी करेंगे। ओके, प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू, थैंक यू सो मच। जब
मैं अपने करियर में ऐसे तड़का लगाना चाहूँगी कि मैं हॉलीवुड की A-लिस्ट मूवी में काम करूँ। मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर हैं मैट डेमन, मैं उनके साथ काम करूँ। जो जितने भी बड़े बड़े नामी गिरामी इंडिया के और फॉरेन फिल्म्स के जो डायरेक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ मैं काम करूँ, तो उससे मेरे करियर में बहुत ज़बरदस्त तड़का लगने वाला है। और अपनी ज़िंदगी में मैं ये कहूँगी कि मेरी बड़ी इच्छा भी है शुरू से कि मैं दुनिया देखूँ, काम तो करूँ लेकिन दुनिया भी देखूँ साथ साथ। तो अगर ऐसा हो सके कि मैं 9 या 10 मंथ्स खूब टेलीविज़न या फिल्म्स का काम करूँ और 2 महीना मैं कोई भी ऐसा देश या 2 देश चूज़ करूँ जहाँ मैं हर साल जा सकूँ, तो मेरे ख्याल से मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में बड़ा ही मसालेदार तड़का लग जाएगा। और सिचुएशन में क्या बोलूँ
अब कोई भी
और मैं ये कहूँगी कि अभी मैं झलक दिखला जा में पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ। अगर किसी भी करिश्मा, भगवान के करिश्मे की वजह से अगर मैं झलक दिखला जाए इस बार जीत गई, तो इसमें तो ऐसा जबरदस्त तड़का लगने वाला है कि कहीं पूरा देश बेहोश ना हो जाए मेरे सपने।
थैंक यू सो मच, प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू जयती जी।
The best tadka one can put in spice in Bollywood is through Bollywood. You watch movies.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're depressed, if you watch movies, I think you can come out of any depression. Music, movies, and movies have been our passion. Maybe that's why we landed up acting and stuff. It's something that I can do 24/7. I can keep watching, or maybe I can keep acting. I can just do the same. I can stay in the scale of Bollywood for the rest of my life. It's like really, it is entertainment. So I think it is spicy.
Okay. What about you? Which you can speak on in front of camera? Yeah.
Spice means important. Hamare we are actors, so for us everything revolves around this only. So as Mohit bhai said, it's like entertainment.
But beside actor, you are a human also. Don't forget that.
Entertainment छोड़ के और कुछ है ही नहीं हमारी जिंदगी में. Spice up भी करना होता है.
He's a big fan of Vidya Balan.
I love her, and entertainment was. If I have to spice it up, I'll get lots of entertainment.
I would love to add to the happiness level. मिर्ची हाँ
खुशी में मिर्ची
नहीं तड़का and mirchi is different.
What is tadka? Explain.
Tadka is combination of mirchi and spices. It's not only mirchi. खाना बनाते हैं लोग छोड़ नहीं लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कब से कब. So I guess that's it. Three things. Okay.
Where else you would like to put tadka?
I don't feel like. I mean, there is no other thing in which I really need tadka or something. It's all must be there.
Put a tadka in rickshaw rides. Was right? हमारे शाम के नाश्ते में.
हाँ. Yes, please, if you can do that, please add it on.
क्यों?
And then
बड़ा ब्लैंड आता है.
Actually वो नाश्ता जो आता है उसे नाश्ता नहीं कह सकते, so sorry for that. Sometimes